Welcome to Friday Writing. Today you're going to try and do some informative writing. Informative writing is meant to teach people about a topic or an idea. I'm doing an information text on how to draw a bird. I wonder what you can teach me today. Okay, so I've drawn my equipment list and I've got my heading, how to draw a bird. So people know exactly the information that they need to get ready for drawing their own bird. But when we're thinking about giving people instructions or the information they need, we need to put it into steps. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to start with step 1. And I'm going to show you that the first part that I started with was that I drew a round shape to make the body. So I'm going to say start the body with a round shape. I can hear the word star in the word start. Start the body with a round. I can hear the ow sound like out. With a round shape. I can hear the sh like shops. Shape. Okay, I'm going to think about my second step now. And my second step when I was drawing was that I put a point at the top of their head. So I'm going to say, make a point on the top of the head. There's my step 2. Make a point. You can hear that first p sound. Point at the top. I can do that one. Top. Top of the head. I can hear the first sound in head. Head. All right. I'm going to think about the third step now. And the third step was to draw an eye and a beak. So I'm going to write that now and say, draw an eye and a beak. Just so you can see the steps. I'm going to start with draw. I can hear the draw, D-R, draw an eye and a, I'm thinking about the word beak. I can hear the first sound, b for beak. But I'm thinking about parts of words that I can hear. I can hear the E sound, the long E sound. But it doesn't quite look right if I put B double E K, because I also know that E-A makes the long E sound. So let's write it in this box and see if it looks right as well as sound right. Let's have a look. Beak. Oh, I can hear the long E sound here. That's the same as the word eat. I can hear the E sound in the word eat. It is right. I'm going to pop it here. Draw an eye and a beak. Right, I'm going to tell you my fourth step now. My fourth step was to draw a wing and a tail. So we're up to step 4. I know the word draw now because I've thought about it before. It's up here. Draw a ing. Oh, I can hear the ing sound at the end there. What? Ing. And a tail. Oh, I'm not done yet. I've got a few things to show you yet. Once I've drawn the wing and the tail, then I'm going to add in lots of colourful feathers. And you can see closely some detail there. That's the feathers. So I'm going to say step 5. So I'm going to say add in lots of feathers. Oh, I've seen that word, add. That's like in our maths, in add and subtraction. Add. Add in lots of, I can hear the first sound, and I can hear the V in the middle, the TH. Feathers. Oh, I can hear the sound. We looked at the sound this week. I can hear that. Feathers. And there it is. All right, and your last step is to make it colourful, to colour it in bright colours. So I'm going to say step 5, colour your bird. Oh, it's not step 5, step 6, colour your birds. I'll fit it in here. Step 6, colour your bird. Oh, there's the other sound we looked at this week. And for bird. Can you see that? So, step 6, colour your bird. And I'm going to say colour it in bright colours. In bright colours. My full stop at the end. So now I've got my steps for my instruction, and I'm going to quickly read them through to check that they make sense. Here I go. Step 1, start the body with a round shape. Step 2, make a point at the top of the head. There it is. Step 3, draw an eye and a beak. And step 4, draw a wing and a tail. Step 5, add in lots of feathers. And step 6, colour your bird in bright colours. I wonder what you're going to give me instructions on today. You might like to use my instructions to draw your own bird, but I would love to see your instructions come in on an email because I will try and make what you are going to teach me. All right, have a go, you one. Here are some steps on how to draw a bird using pictures. You can use this if you like, but remember you need to have sentences to match each step of the way. Or hopefully you might teach me about something new that I don't know how to do, something special that you know how to do. Happy writing!